Hey future video editors, Aka Control plus Z Ninjas. Let's glow things up a bit, shall we? In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a glowing text effect in Premiere Pro effortlessly. So let's jump right in. First, grab the type tool and type in your text. You can tweak it in the Essential Graphics panel. Just make sure the fill is set to white. Now head over to the Effects panel. Search for Drop Shadow and slap it onto your text layer. Then cruise into Effect Controls and set it like this. Shadow color, white opacity, 50% distance, 0 softness, 10. Now the fun part, duplicating the shadow like a boss. Hit Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Easy, here's the trick, adjust the topmost drop shadow, not the one at the bottom. Now bump up the softness to 50. Do it again. Duplicate, adjust softness to 100. Again, 200, again, 400, yup. Keep going until softness hits 1000. We're stacking shadows like pancakes here. Next, search for tint and add it to your text layer. Make sure tint sits on top of all the drop shadows in Effect Controls. Now you can change the glow color by mapping white to anything you like. Go wild, pick something vibrant, maybe neon green or hot pink if you're feeling spicy. And the best part, you can save this whole thing as a preset. Scroll down to the first drop shadow, then scroll up and Shift plus click on the tint. That'll select all the effects in between too. Now just right-click, hit Save Preset, give it a cool name like Glowzilla, and boom, you're done. Next time you've got some plain all boring text, just drag and drop your preset and instantly you've got that sweet, glowing vibe. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching and may your text forever shine bright.